transitions. One blank, four smooth-sounding words, and only one of them tells the truth about how the two ideas connect. No rules first. Watch me take this one cold. Before the choices get a vote, cover the blank and read what sits on each side of it. Before the blank, conservators photograph the whole tapestry under ultraviolet light, and that photo reveals the old patches. After the blank, they lift each loose thread with a hooked needle and anchor it to a new backing. Is the second sentence fighting the first? No. Is it caused by the first? Not really. A photograph does not make a needle move. It is simply what happens after. First you map the damage, then you repair it. That is a sequence, so I want a word that says what comes next. Now the choices, for example, would make thread lifting an example of photographing, and those are two different jobs entirely. Set it aside. However, promises a turn and nothing here turns, the work just continues. Cross it off. In other words, would restate the first sentence, but the second sentence says something new. Drop it. Next, simply moves us to the following stage of the job, and that is exactly the link. C is our answer. C wins because the two sentences are two stages of one process. First map the damage, then repair it. When the second sentence is what happens after the first, you want a sequence word, next, then, afterward. The printable practice set for this exact question type is free and pinned below. Subscribe so the next drop lands in your feed. Here is the system I just used, 3 checks. Check 1, cover the blank. Read the sentence before it and the sentence after it on their own before any answer choice can whisper in your ear. Check 2, name the link. Say in one word how the second idea relates to the first. Does it add, oppose, result, restate, or simply come next? Predict a word before you look down. Check 3, match and cut. Keep the one transition that does your predicted job and cross out everything built for a different job no matter how smooth it sounds. Question 2. Check 1. Cover the blank and read both sides. Before the blank, dark rooftops and asphalt absorb sunlight all day and release the stored heat after sunset, so a city center stays warmer than the countryside well into the night. After the blank, a city's pavement behaves like a storage heater, banking warmth by day and paying it out after dark. Check 2. Name the link. Read them side by side. The second sentence is not a new fact. Banking warmth by day is absorbing sunlight. Paying it out after dark is releasing heat after sunset. Same idea, plainer picture. That is a restatement, so I want a word like in other words. Check 3. Match and cut. Therefore is the trap. It sounds smooth, but therefore promises a conclusion the first sentence had not already reached, and this sentence reaches nothing new. It only says the same thing better. Cross it out. For instance, would make the storage heater an example of hot asphalt, and it is a picture of the asphalt, not a case of it. Toss it. Nevertheless, flips the direction, and nothing here pushes back. Strike that too. In other words, announce is a restatement, and that is the job. B is the answer. B is right because the second sentence redescribes the first in plainer language. A storage heater is just the rooftops and asphalt renamed. When a sentence says the same thing a second way, the link is restatement, not result. Question 3. Check 1. Cover the blank. Before it, desert tortoises wait out the hottest hours inside burrows several feet down, where it stays far cooler. After it, kangaroo rats stay sealed in their tunnels until dusk and forage only once the ground is cooled. Check 2. Name the link. 2 different animals and the same move. Go underground and wait for the heat to pass. The second sentence is not an example of the first. A kangaroo rat is not a kind of tortoise. It is a parallel case. Call the link comparison and predict a word like likewise or similarly. Check 3. Match and cut, for instance, is the bait. The second sentence looks like a specific example, but an example has to be an instance of the first sentence, and the rats do their own thing beside the tortoises, not inside their story. Cross it out. By contrast, needs a difference, and these 2 animals agree. That one's gone. As a result, would make the rat schedule a consequence of tortoise burrows, which is nonsense. Drop it. Likewise says, here is another case that works the same way. D is our answer. D is right because the passage lines up two animals doing the same thing for the same reason. A parallel case takes a comparison word. An example would have to sit inside the first sentence's claim, and the kangaroo rats do not. Question 4, and this one is hard because two choices point the same direction. Check 1. Cover the blank. Before it, chemists found that a Cremona violin maker mixed an ingredient into the varnish that no modern recipe calls for. After it, the varnish contained a fine powder of volcanic ash, which hardened the coating without muffling the tone. Check 2. Name the link. The first sentence promises one mystery ingredient, and the second sentence tells you what it is. That is not a new instance, and it is not a consequence. The second sentence zooms in on the first. Call the link narrowing and predict specifically, or to be precise. Check 3. Match and cut, and watch the trap. For example is tempting, because the ash is concrete and the first sentence was vague. But for example offers one case out of many, and there is only one ingredient here. The sentence is naming it, not sampling it. Cross it out. As a result, would make the ash a consequence of the chemist's discovery, and the ash was in the varnish centuries before anyone looked. Toss it. Nevertheless signals a turn, and both sentences pull the same way. Strike that too. Specifically does the zoom exactly. A is the answer. A is right because sentence 2 identifies the very ingredient sentence 1 hinted at. Same direction is not enough, for example, introduces one case among several, while specifically pins down a single detail, and that is the job here. Question 5, the hardest of day because the right word is the one people forget exists. Check 1. Cover the blank. Before it, archivists keep early nitrate film in a vault just above freezing and check the humidity twice a day because the film's chemistry is unstable at room temperature. After it, the reels would soften, then decay into a sticky, flammable mass. Check 2. Name the link and listen to the verb would. The reels would decay. That is not what happens. It is what happens if the precautions fail. The second sentence describes the road not taken, so the link is condition, if not this, then that. Predict otherwise. Check 3. Match and cut. Consequently is the and it is a strong one. Cold storage, then decay. Cause and effect, right? Read it again. The decay is a consequence of skipping the cold, not of having it, so consequently would say the vault causes the rot. Cross it out. In fact, strengthens a claim, and the second sentence is a warning, not a stronger version of the first. That one's gone. Similarly wants a parallel case, and there is only one scenario here. Drop it. Otherwise means if not the vault, then the rot. C is our answer. C is right because the second sentence tells you what would happen without the precautions, and otherwise is the one transition built for exactly that. When you see would after a sentence full of safeguards, look for the if not word. That is the method. Cover the blank, name the link, then match and cut. 10 fresh transitions questions are waiting in the printable practice test, linked in the pinned comment. Subscribe so the next drop lands in your feed, and I will see you in the next one.